Okay, this next logarithmic differentiation is just one or two steps more complex. So we're going to take the log of each side. Now notice, using properties of logs, when two things are being multiplied, you can separate. Remember that if you have log x times y, you can rewrite that as log of x plus log of y. So that's one of the properties or rules of logarithms. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to separate this 5 times x to the fifth. So we're going to write ln of 5 plus ln x to the 5x, and then using the properties of logs, that's going to come down in front. So one more time, ln y log of 5 plus 5x times ln of x. And then right here, we're going to have a product rule. Okay, so now we are ready to get started with taking the derivative. So when we take the derivative of natural log of y, we get 1 over y dy dx. Well, the natural log, ln of 5 is just a number. The derivative of a number is just 0. So you wouldn't really have to write that, but I'll write 0 just to keep that clear what we did. Now we've got a product rule. So this is f, this is g, f prime is 5, g prime is 1 over x. So we have f times the derivative of g plus g times the derivative of f. And then we're going to simplify all of that. So 5 over x, the x's cancel, that leaves 5. And then this 5 is going to be brought out in front. Let me make sure that, yeah. All right, so now we're ready to multiply both sides. I'm just going to do this in a step like this. So we're going to multiply both sides by y. And then we go back up there. We're going to replace the y with 5x to the 5x. So dy dx is equal to 5x to the 5x. Oh, inside here, I could have done this. I don't know that that matters. I think we can leave it just like that. Nope. We're gonna factor out that 5. So I'm gonna write it like this. Since those two have a 5 in common, I'm gonna put the 5 there, then in parentheses 1 plus ln of x. The reason why that's important is because now these bases are the same. That exponent to 5 is just 1. So the final should be 5x to the 5x plus 1 times 1 plus ln of x. Should look like that. All right. I guess this one wasn't that bad. I'm going to go ahead and end it here.